It's the 21st of September. I'm Jerusha Sukhthio-Rath and you're watching News 24 Live. Let's have a look at today's news headlines. The planned protest by the pro-Palestine BDS movement against Grammy Award-winning artist Pharrell Williams now is expected to be the biggest action against a musician in South African history, this according to the group. The local boycott, divestment and sanctions movement expects at least 40,000 people to picket outside the main entrance of the Grand West Casino in Cape Town. The internationally acclaimed producer and performer has come under fire for collaborating with local retail group Woolworths, who've been the focus of local pro-Palestine activists for their trade with Israel. The Western Cape High Court ruled in favour of BDS at the weekend, declaring that the City of Cape Town's restriction of the upcoming protest to 150 people was unconstitutional and therefore invalid. BDS said if Pharrell was interested in making the world happy, then he should join the cultural boycott of Israel. A raging fire gutted about 25 homes at the Riverside Beach Club in the Vaal in Vanderbijl Park, Gauteng. An investigator from the Intelligence Bureau said firefighters and emergency officials who responded to the scene said that they believed a gas canister had exploded. The damage caused was estimated to be around 100 million rand. The fire reduced the thatched-roofed homes, vehicles including a Porsche and jet skis to tin and ashes as a large plume of smoke filled the air. The Intelligence Bureau said some of the house owners had rolled out their own hoses to try and douse the large flames. And finally, Pope Francis celebrated Mass in Havana's Revolution Square yesterday. The Pope met with former leader Fidel Castro but warned Cubans against the dangers of ideology as their country enters a new era of closer ties with the United States. The 78-year-old Argentine pontiff read a mostly religious homily but sprinkled it with criticism of elitism and ideology. Francis later met with Fidel Castro, who led Cuba's 1959 revolution. Cuban police kept some dissidents from attending the Pope's Mass and, according to Reuters, pounced on others who apparently had tried to hand out flyers near the plaza. More on News 24 Live.